What's happening? It's your boy TK here, back with another video. It's Mustang Dark Horse time. There's a backstory behind this vehicle. This is my first S650 Mustang I'm having on the channel. Y'all don't want to miss out. Check it out. Okay, everybody, this is Anthony. Hey, Anthony, what got you liking Ford Mustangs, especially this beautiful Dark Horse right here?
I've just always liked the body style of the Mustang, the design, the lines. It's always just been a good looking car. Just don't see a lot of these Dark Horses out there, so that's why we went with the Dark Horse Mustang. And you see a lot of GTs out there and everything, and I just, just like the design of this car, like the S650.
Awesome, thank you for sharing that. The new generation Coyote V8 with the twin throttle bodies. This beautiful blue ember metallic, it's a one-off unique color. I never seen a car with this unique color before, but seeing it on video and pictures don't do justice. Anthony, I appreciate you giving me a ride on your Mustang today. This is a beautiful dark horse. I see why you got a Ford Mustang, especially a dark horse, because the fun, thrill, and exciting of, you know, just getting on that gas and hearing that glorious 5-liter V8.
Stock exhaust. It sounds good.
Yes, it do. But that's it, everybody. Like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, TEK Turbo. I'm out.